Okay, welcome to my channel. What we're going to do today is we're going to look at editing this picture. Just doing a quick edit on it. It's looking a bit washed out, I'm thinking, so we're going to start off with some exposure, and I think we're going to bring the exposure up a wee bit on this one. So I would say probably about there. We're going to bring in some contrast. Not too much, just a little drop. We're going to bring down the highlights a bit. We're going to bring up the shadows just a little bit. I think if we bring it up too much, it's just too, so probably about there. We're going to adjust the whites. So if you hold the Alt key down and press the toggle, and we can go to your right, and we'll just make a little bit of it overexposed. There we go. I'll do the same with the black. Bring in some black. That's already starting to look quite good. I'm going to bring up some clarity. Let's bring in the detail there. And some vibrance. Not much because it's already quite colourful as it is at the moment. Probably about that much. And moving down, I tend to work this way. I mean, you can work whatever way you wish. So what I'll do is I'll move all the way down to the sharpening. What I tend to do is hold down the Alt key and then bring up your sharp until you see the edges just going a bit blurry. Bring it back down again until they're not so blurry. And you can do this just by zooming in. You can see it going a bit fuzzy, so we'll bring it down, I'd say about there. Holding down the Alt key again, using the masking tool, press that. In fact, what we'll do is we'll come out of this. Masking tool, and then this is the areas that are going to be sharpened. So I like to, so I'd say about that for this one. You can see already we're getting a lot of detail here. Looking good. Also, you should remove your lens, select your lens corrections, because what happens is when you take pictures, the curvature of the lens sometimes doesn't work so well, and it causes issues with the photograph. So that's actually brought up the exposure. So we'll bring that down a wee tad. I think that's looking quite good. And then you can add some cropping to it as well by using this tool, but I actually don't want to add any cropping to this. Don't want to add any shadow in the corners or anything like that, so maybe bring it down a wee bit actually. There we go, that's looking quite good. It's bringing out the greens in the picture. And then I would say that's looking not bad at all. Probably what we'll do is the last thing we'll do is crop this actually. So bring this in a tad, down a tad, centre it up. Yep, it's looking good. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, and I'll do some more videos if you like this one. So if you've got any questions or anything, just put them in the comments below and I'll try and answer them as soon as I can. Okay, thanks for joining us. Goodbye.